Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can fix unable to connect to network on Nintendo Switch. So there are 5 things that you can do in order to try to fix this issue. The first one is by restarting your Switch. So press and hold the power button for a couple of seconds, and then you should finally open this menu over here where you can go to power options and then press restart. The second thing that you can do in order to try to fix this problem is to reboot your router. So if you have a Wi-Fi in your home that you're using, then you may need to restart your Wi-Fi or your router in order to try to solve this issue. Another thing is that you may be having the airplane mode or the flight mode enabled on your Switch. So go to the system settings, and then over here you'll find the flight mode. Make sure that this mode is off. While in the settings, you can also go to the internet and then go to internet settings, and then over here, once it loads up, choose your Wi-Fi, your connection, and go to change settings, and then make sure that everything is correct over here. For instance, the DNS might need to be automatic if you have changed it before. If you make changes and then you save them, make sure to go to connect to this network again, since you will be disconnected. You may also try to use test connection over here in order to see if everything is going fine. And last but not least, make sure that your system is up to date, so you can go to system in the system settings, and then over here you'll find system update. Run it and see if you have anything that you can download. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.